हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स नूतनदीप एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो हम रीडिंग कर रहे थे और जहाँ पे ख़त्म किया था उसके आगे से शुरू करते हैं। स्टोरी का नाम है सुजान भगत। वन डे बुलाकी वॉज पाउंडिंग पर्ल्स इन अ मोटर। पर्ल्स यानी दालें, मोटर यानी कि खडहल और ओखली। ओखली में दालों को कूट रही थी। वन बेगर केम ऑन द डोर एंड आस्क्ड फॉर आर्म्स। आर्म्स के लिए, आर्म्स यानी कि दान और भीख मांगी। Bulaki thought that first she would finish the work at hand and then she would give him something. बुलाकी ने सोचा पहले अपना काम खत्म करूं, उसके बाद उसे कुछ दूंगी। In the meantime, her elder son Bhola came and said, "One Mahatma is shouting at the door. Give him something, otherwise he will be distressed." उसे कुछ दो, नहीं तो उसे बुरा लग जाएगा। बुलाकी said indifferently, अलग तरीके से बुलाकी ने कहा, Has Bhagat applied henna on his feet? Why doesn't he give something? वो कुछ क्यों नहीं दे देता? Do I have 4 hands? How many people will I make happy? They keep coming whole day. Bhola, he's busy ruining everything. What else? On that day, Mahangu had come to give our share of crop. On calculation, it comes to 7 months, about 2.5 quintal. When I weighed it, जब मैंने इसका वजन किया, there was only 6 3/4 months of grain. When I asked him to bring the remaining 10 sets of grains, father said from his seat, "Why trouble him to go that far? Clear his account, otherwise he will be put to grief." I did not clear his account. I showed 10 seer of grains to be recovered later. Bulaki, you have done well. Let him chatter. उसे बकबक करने दो. If he doesn't have his way, 5 10 times he will stop intervening. Intervening यानी दखल देना. Bhola, whole day he finds some faults here and there. I have told him 100 times you don't poke your nose in household matters. तुम घरेलू कामों में अपनी टांग मत अड़ाओ. But he can't keep his mouth shut. Bulaki, had I known he would become like this, I wouldn't have allowed him to become a Bhagat. अगर मुझे पता होता कि वो ऐसा निकलेगा, मैं उसे कभी नहीं कहती कि वो भगत बने. सी कंडीशनल आ गया यहाँ पर. भोला, he has become such a Bhagat that he lost both this world and the other one too. He spends all the time in the worshipping. He hasn't grown so old that he is unable to do anything. Bulaki objected to this. Bhola, this is unjust on your part. No doubt he cannot work with a spade now. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि वो कुदाली से काम नहीं कर सकता, but he keeps doing something. He feeds bullocks, milks cows and many other things he is able to do. वो भैंसों को खाना देता है, गाय से दूध निकालता है और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें करता है. Beggar was still calling. When Sujan saw that nobody attended him, he went inside and said rudely, "Can't you people hear that? Somebody has been begging at the door for an hour. You have to work whole day for yourself. Do spare a minute for God's work." भगवान के लिए भी 1 मिनट छोड़ दो. Bulaki, you are there to do God's work. Will the entire family do the same? Sujan, tell me where flour is kept. I will give it to him. You sit here like a queen. Bulaki, I have labored to grind grain. Give him grain. I don't wake up before daybreak and run grindstone for such a swindlers. Swindlers यानी ठगी. Sujan went to the storeroom and came out with the barley. Barley यानी जौ. In a small basket. It wasn't less than a seer, about 900 grams. Sujan had deliberately, just to irritate Bulaki and Bhola, brought more grain than customary. Customary आया यहाँ पे जिसका मतलब होता है रिवाज. However, to show that the basket did not contain too much barley, he was holding it by his fingertips. His fingertips couldn't carry this much load. His hand was shaking. Had there been a moment's delay, the basket was likely to be released from his hand. यहाँ पर भी कंडीशनल है, थोड़ी सी भी देर हो जाती अगर, तो उसके हाथ से वो सारा गिर जाता, रिलीज हो जाता सारा बार्ले. ओके, दैट इज वाई ही वॉज इन अ हरी टू गेट आउट. इसीलिए वो इतनी ज़्यादा जल्दी में था. सडनली भोला स्नेच द बास्केट फ्रॉम हिज हैंड. भोला ने उसके हाथ से बास्केट छीन लिया. एंड लुकिंग एंग्रीली एट हिम, ही सेड, "द ग्रेन इज नॉट फॉर फ्री दैट यू आर स्क्वेंडरिंग लाइक दिस." स्क्वेंडरिंग यानी लुटाना, कुछ भी, जैसे धन लुटाना. वी गेट ग्रेन फ्रॉम टॉयलिंग फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग. टॉयलिंग यानी बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करना. सुजान सेड डिसकंसर्टिंगली. सुजान ने थोड़ा चिंता नहीं करते हुए बोला, आई एम नॉट सिटिंग आइडल ईदर, मैं भी कोई खाली नहीं बैठता। भोला, आर्म्स इज गिवन लाइक आर्म्स ओनली, दान दान की तरह दिया जाता है। इट इज़ नॉट स्क्वेंडर्ड लाइक दिस, ये ऐसे लुटाया नहीं जाता। वी मेक डू विद ईटिंग ओनली वंस अ डे सो दैट आर ऑनर रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट। You think of squandering? Do you care to know what is happening in this house? Sujan gave no answer to this. He came out and told the beggar, Baba, you go from here for the time being, फिलहाल के लिए. Nobody is free in this house. Then he sat under a tree and started thinking. Such disrespect for him in his own house. He is not yet a disabled man, nor his hands and feet are tired. He always does one or the other household work. Even then, such humiliation, उसके बाद भी इतनी बेइज्जती. He made this house, all this prosperity, समृद्ध, is the result of his hard work. But now he has no right in this house. Now he is no more than a dog at the door, who eats whatever family members gave him. Woo be to such a lie. वो यानी शोक मनाना, ऐसी लाइफ बेकार है, ऐसी जिंदगी बेकार है. Sujan cannot live in such a house. It was evening. Bhola's younger brother Shankar brought hookah. Sujan kept it against a wall. Gradually tobacco burned. After some time, Bhola came and spread the charpai at the door. Sujan did not get up from under the tree. Sujan ट्री के नीचे से नहीं उठा. Some more time passed. कुछ और टाइम बीता. Food was prepared. Bhola came to call him. Sujan said, I'm not feeling hungry. He did not get up even after a lot of persuasion. Persuasion यानी कि मनाना. Then Bulaki came and said, why don't you come to eat? Are you all right? Sujan was angry with Bulaki more than anyone else. सुजान जो था वो बुलाकी से सबसे ज़्यादा गुस्सा था. She too sided with sons. वो उसने अपने लड़कों का साइड लिया. Bhola snatched grain from my hand and she just looked on. वो सिर्फ देखती रही. She could not even say that let him give it to beggar. Boys may not know with how much hard work have I built up this household, but she does know. लड़के नहीं जानते कि इस घर को बनाने के लिए मैंने कितनी मेहनत की, बट वो जानती है. I toiled day and night. मैंने पूरे दिन रात मेहनत करी है. During nights of भादो rainy season, I used to guard millet in the fields. Millet यानी बाजरा. Staying in a shed. I did not rest even on hot afternoons of Jeth and Baisakh summer season months, and now I don't have a right even to give alms to beggars. I admit that alms is not given in such large quantities, but they should have kept quiet. उन्हें चुप रहना चाहिए था. Should have kept quiet. Should have plus third form. Even if I put this house on fire, चाहे मैं इस घर में आग ही क्यों ना लगा दूं. I have some rights too, even under law. I don't consume my share if I give it in charity whose father can have a claim on it. Now at this hour she has come to placate me. इस समय वो मुझे तसल्ली देने आई है. Placate यानी कि तसल्ली. I never touched her even with a flower. Otherwise, is there any other woman in this village who has not been kicked by her husband? I did not even look at her sternly. मैंने उसे कभी गुस्से से भी नहीं देखा. I had entrusted cash, other transactions to her. Now when she has saved some money, she is showing ears to me. Now अब वो मुझे नखरे दिखा रही है. Now sons are dear to her. I am a useless squanderer snail. अब मैं एक पैसा बर्बाद करने वाला इंसान बन गया हूँ. Why should she care for me? When she was sick, I had taken her in my arms to the bed. Where were her sons then? Now she has sons and she is their mother. I'm an outsider. Why should family bother about me? He said. What is the use of my eating? I won't be able to plow. Plow यानी हल चलाना. Nor wield a spade. और कुदाली चलाने के लायक भी नहीं हूँ. Why do you waste grain by feeding me? Preserve it, son will eat it. Bulaki, you get angry on trivial things. Trivial यानी छोटी चीज़ों, मामूली चीज़ों के लिए. It has been truly said that old age takes away one's thinking. ये बिल्कुल सही कहा गया है कि जैसे जैसे उम्र होती है बुद्धि चली जाती है, सोचने की शक्ति चली जाती है. Bhola had merely said that don't give so much alms. Did he say anything wrong? Sujan, yes, the poor boy said only that much. You would have enjoyed if he had canned me. तुम्हें और मज़ा आता अगर वो मुझे मारता. कैंड मी किसी चीज़ से मारना। ओके, तो ये भी कंडीशनल हो गया। इफ़ यू विश दैट यू कैन फुलफिल इट, अगर तुम्हारी ऐसी कामना है देन फुलफिल कर लो, इसे पूरा कर लो। भोला मस्ट हैव ईटन, कॉल हिम, वेट, वाई शुड यू कॉल भोला, वाई डोंट यू थ्रैश मी योर सेल्फ, तुम ही मुझे क्यों नहीं मारते हो, ओनली दैट हैज़ रिमेंड, वही तो रह गया है, डू इट नाउ, अभी करो। बुलाकी, इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ ए विमेन, कंसीडर योर सेल्फ लकी दैट यू हैव अ सिंपल विमेन लाइक मी, अपने आप को लकी समझो कि मैं तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में इतनी सीधी सिंपल औरत हूँ। यू मेक मी डू वट एवर यू विश, तुम जो चाहते हो मुझसे करवाते हो। हैड आई बीन सो डिसकर्टियस आई वुड नॉट हैव गॉट अलॉन्ग इन योर हाउस फॉर अ डे, अगर मैं इतनी ही ज़्यादा असभ्य होती, बदतमीज़ होती, तो मैं तुम्हारे साथ इस घर में नहीं रह रही होती। यहाँ भी कंडीशनल आ गया है। Sujan, that is what I'm saying, that you were no less than a goddess. Sons are earning, so you are not going to support me against them. What are you going to get from me? Bulaki, you appear to be bent on quarreling. Bent on यानी किसी चीज़ को करने के लिए तुले रहना। तुम लड़ाई करने के लिए तुले रहो, and I'm trying to avoid it so that people may not laugh at us. You come and have food quietly, otherwise I'm going to bed. Sujan, why would you sleep without eating? Your sons are earning. I'm an outsider. Bulaki, sons are yours too. Sujan, no, I would rather digest such sons. नहीं, मैं ऐसे लड़कों को नकार देता। They are not mine. Had they been my sons, would I have been in such a state? अगर वो मेरे लड़के होते तो क्या मेरी ये हालत होती? यहाँ भी कंडीशनल आ गया। ओके। बुलाकी, if you abuse me, I will also not keep quiet. I had heard that men are reasonable by nature, but you are an altogether different man. A man should adapt himself according to the circumstances. Now you and I can get along only if we consider ourselves nominal heads of family and do whatever our sons want us to do. I have understood this. Why can't you? One who earns rules the family. This is customary. Customary यानी रिवाज. I don't do anything without asking sons. Why do you act according to your whims? तुम एक सनकी की तरह क्यों बिहेव कर रहे हो? You have ruled thus far. Why don't you give up this temptation? Eat half a roti, pray God, and lie peacefully. Come have food. Sujan, then I should consider myself a dog at the door. Bulaki, whatever I considered right, I have said. जो भी मुझे सही लगा मैंने कहा. Now you may consider yourself whatever you wish. Sujan did not move. Giving up, Bulaki left. Sujan now faced a new problem. He had been head of the family for a long time. वो काफ़ी टाइम से फैमिली का हेड था एंड स्टिल कंसीडर्ड हिमसेल्फ टू बी सो, और अभी भी यही सोचता था अपने आप को। ही डिड नॉट रियलाइज दैट सर्कमस्टेंसेज हैड कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड। सन्स गेव रिस्पेक्ट टू हिम, सर्व्ड हिम, दैट लेड हिम टू मिस अप्रीहेंशन, जो उसे गलत फहमी लगी। Sons did not smoke or sit on charpoy in his presence. Was it not a proof that he was still head of the family? But today he came to know that this was only reverence. ये एक श्रद्धा थी, एक रिस्पेक्ट के तौर पे, not a proof of his authority. उसकी अथॉरिटी का प्रूफ नहीं था. Can he relinquish his authority in the exchange of this veneration? Relinquish मतलब गिव अप कर देना, अपनी अथॉरिटी को गिव अप कर दे इन द एक्सचेंज ऑफ दिस वेनरेशन, जिस तरह से उसको पूजा जा रहा है उसके एक्सचेंज में. वेनरेशन यानी पूजना, किसी को रिस्पेक्ट देना हद से ज़्यादा. नेवर, ही कैन नॉट लिव एज अ डिपेंडेंट इन दिस हाउस विच ही मास्टर्ड सो फार, जो कि अभी तक उसने इतनी मास्टर्ड इस घर में करी थी, और वो एक डिपेंडेंट के तौर पे इस घर पे नहीं रह सकता था. ही डजंट वांट वेनरेशन, उसको एक पूजा, एक श्रद्धा नहीं चाहिए थी. नॉट सर्विस, कोई सेवा नहीं चाहिए थी. ही वॉन्ट्स अथॉरिटी, उसे अथॉरिटी चाहिए थी. ही कैन नॉट टोलरेट एनी बडी रूलिंग दिस हाउस, वो नहीं सेंस कर सकता था कि कोई और इस हाउस को, इस घर को रूल करे. ही कैन नॉट बी सेटिस्फाइड बींग मेयरली अप्रेस्ड इन द टेम्पल, वो सिर्फ इससे ही सेटिस्फाई नहीं था एक सिर्फ मंदिर में एक पुजारी की तरह उसको ट्रीट किया जाए, इसके लिए वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं था. Sujan had no idea what time it was. During the night he got up and started cutting fodder यानी चारा, for bullock with a chopper. Whole village was asleep, but Sujan was busy cutting fodder. He had never worked so hard in his life. Ever since he had stopped working, there was always shortage of fodder. Shortage यानी कमी. Shankar and Bhola both cut fodder in turns, but fodder was never sufficient. Today he will show these lads how to cut fodder. Lads यानी इन लड़कों को. A mountain of cut fodder stood before him, and how fine and shapely the pieces were, as if they had been molded in a template. When Bulaki woke up before dawn, dawn मतलब सुबह होने से पहले जब वो उठी, she was taken aback, हैरान हो जाना. To see the pile of cut fodder, she said, "Did Bhola cut fodder the whole night? I have told him so many times that body is more important than work. But he doesn't care. He did not sleep the whole night." Sujan Bhagat taunted her. When does he sleep? वो सोता कब है? Whenever I see him, he is seen working. जब भी मैं उसे देखता हूँ वो तो काम करता रहता है. Who could be a greater earner than him in this world? In the meantime, Bhola came out rubbing his eyes. He was also astonished to see the pile. He asked his mother, "Did Shankar wake up at night itself?" "Amma, Bulaki, he is still sleeping. I thought you had cut it." मुझे लगा कि तुमने कट किया है. Bhola, "I can't get up early in the morning. I can work a lot during daytime, but I can't work at night." Bulaki, "Then did your father cut it?" Bhola, "Yes, it looks like that. He did not sleep whole night." So, शायद आपको अच्छा लगा हो और कुछ समझ में भी आया हो. So that's all for today, and it is to be continued. Thank you.